Hey there, Elle Studio fans! I am so excited to share with you the August 2021 monthly kit and add-ons, and this month we have an entire awesome box of products to share with you. Let's take a look. Let's start by checking out the August monthly kit. We have 2 sheets of die cuts here. This month we have lots of labels in different colors. We have these banners. We have some speech bubbles, some phrases hanging out, enjoying the last days of summer. Here we go, our tradition. Some fun circles in 2 tones. We have so excited for this day. Some more labels here. A star that says proud of you, which is really nice. Let the good times roll. A few different journaling tags here, an ampersand, and this one that says lazy days. Now there are 3 4x6 tags in every kit. Let me grab the third one, which I think is going to be my favorite. This is the first time I am seeing this kit, so I'm just as excited as you. I love this colorful tag. How fun are those colors, you guys? Aren't those gorgeous? Documented. You'll want to pay attention to this font. I'm really excited to share something else with you in that font. And a ledger. So really great 4x6 tags this month. Kind of have a school theme going, it looks like, because August is back to school month. We have currently on my desk with the little pencils at the bottom. I love that. Spending quality time together. Note to self. This is fun. Evening, afternoon, and morning. 1, 2, and 3. I love those colors too. Brave. How beautiful is that? Yellow, always my favorite. Today, the details. Love that striped tag too. Sunday, fun day. My favorite part of summer. Documented. Oh, that's really fun. Like a pie chart. It's a summer activity chart, and then you can fill in the blanks there. How cool is that? Love this. Really fun banners in those warm hues. Remember this. Fuchsia grid. Oh, there's my favorite tag this month. I love pencils. I love them. I love back to school time for the new school supplies, and all these colorful pencils just make my heart happy. So great colors in the kit this month. Kind of a positive vibe, a school theme going on, and I'm really excited to create with this kit. I was so excited about these new die cuts. These are called the Proud of You die cuts, that I had to get them out to lay them all out so that you could see everything you got in this die cut pack. How awesome is this? First you have prize ribbons, then you have little pencils that all have positive sayings on them. You have banners, you have like title possibilities here, or card sentiment possibilities. You have these sweet little cards that you can add your journaling or whatever to. Then you have the circle die cuts, and you also get stars and hearts in different colors. This is one amazing die cut pack, you guys. I am so excited to create with this one. There are so many creative possibilities with this die cut set. Okay friends, we have 2 sets of stickers this month. We have the light teal cardstock basic shape stickers. These are a thin cardstock sticker, but still have you can't bend them very easily, so they're great to use on anything that you don't want to put an additional bulk on, but they're not uber thin, so you can use them for layers, which I love. You have hearts and stars and labels and speech bubbles and little flags and tags here. On the back, more labels, tabs. Oh, I love these. So fun, and more banners. So many possibilities with these. They are also matte. So they're matte finish. You can stamp on them very easily. You can write on them, whatever you want to do. There are so many possibilities with these. I can't wait to start layering with them. Our other sticker set this month are the chipboard circle stickers. How beautiful are these? They have all sorts of different icons on them. Sunglasses, suns, a sun and cloud, stars, a rainbow, and then words. Then you have your days of the week. You have half circles, which I love. There are just so many little fun circles in this pack in different sizes, and this is one that will work with any of your Elle Studio kits because all the colors are there from all of the kits. So you can use them with the August kit or any of the kits from past months. We have 2 new sets of wood veneers this month. We have the back to school wood veneers. You have a great title here, the back to school title, some stars, 2 apples, and a stack of books there. We also have the positive vibes wood veneer, and I love this one because it has all these little sayings that you can add to a project about, something that you're proud of, someone, your kids, your spouse, even yourself, or you can use this on a card, right? Together anything is possible, brave, strong, and kind. So this is a great one for school time or any time that you're kind of like crushing your goals. I love this one. We also have some colorful acrylic stars. They're nice and little, come in all of the beautiful colors from this kit and kits past, and acrylic stars are just really fun to add to any project. Okay, get ready for some stamps this month, you guys. We have 4. The lined label stamp is first. Great for journaling because you have those lined labels, but then you also have little words and phrases that you can add in there as well. Remember this, the date, the details, favorite on this day, together. This happened, good time. So it's kind of a great journaling starter for you. The You Got This stamp. I love this one. Again, it's a positivity kind of stamp. It's great for cards. It's great for your planner. So this would be awesome on the schedule, trying something new. If you love doing memory planners, this would be a great one to have. This one is also good for, talking about anyone who is facing any challenges in a project or in your pocket pages. You also have those like half-tone circles with the lines and the solid, which I love. So this is just a great all-around positivity stamp, and I love it. This is the You Got This stamp. Okay, this next one has my heart. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. This is the Lizzie alphabet stamped, and it was named after my Lizzie, my daughter, because Ellie and I saw this font and we felt like it really matched her personality. It's playful, it's fun, and all of these little icons that come with it are just so awesome. So it comes with the lowercase alphabet, all of your numbers, and all of your punctuation. This is the Lizzie alphabet stamp, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do and my daughter Lizzie does. Okay, this last stamp I'm going to show you with the metal die that goes along with it. Yes, we have a metal die this month, you guys. This is the Open Here stamp, and it goes along with this pocket envelope metal die. And this is a metal die that can be used for creating cute little envelopes that you can store things in, extra photos, journaling, you name it, ephemera, you can store it in here. And then this goes along with it. So you have little stamps and you have little circles that you can die cut out. You have the journaling that you can make a little card for to stick inside of your envelope. There are I'm so excited about this. There are just so many cute little possibilities with the stamp. You also have words and phrases like special keepsakes, enclosed, handle with care, inside photo note or keepsake. You can check the box. So this is one awesome combination here. Wow, I'm just so excited about all of the products that I've just been sharing with you guys today. From a stamp named after my daughter to, you know, a total positive vibes kind of kit and add-on set this month, you guys. I hope you love it as much as I do. Be sure to check out all of these new products in the Elle Studio shop at the link in my video notes, and you can find that link by clicking the down arrow under this video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out my process video this month to see what I'm creating with all of this brand new product. Happy creating!